All right, hey, this is Hans. It's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles should you choose. And today, more ice cream. More instant noodle ice cream. I don't know, you can call me as crazy as you want, but I find this fascinating, interesting, and kind of fun. The one I'm going to do today is Prima Taste Singapore Curry Ramen. The whole grain version has been on the top 10 list for eons, and the classic version was on there before that. So I thought it would be something interesting. And what goes good with curry? Apples. So let's give it a try. Alright, so ladies and gentlemen, here you are, Prima Taste Singapore Curry Ramen ice cream. And I used the seasonings from 2 packs of it and a little bit of noodles in it. It is smelly. I'm going to tell you that right off the bat. It has a very strong curry scent. Wow. This is going to be interesting. Let's give it a try. That is so confusing. I love the flavor, but delivered in ice cream, it really is messing with my head. It just doesn't seem right. How can this be? I really like the color of it. It's spicy. It has a seafood taste, curry taste. You can definitely taste the coconut milk powder in there. But that seafood curry flavor is just like whammo. Wow. This is really interesting. Yeah, if you ever were looking for an ice cream with notes of shrimp paste in it, this is what you're looking for. The noodles in here ended up the same as in another ice cream that I made using noodles. And they don't have any flavor because I didn't cook them with the broth, but they have the consistency of like a frozen chocolate. What's neat too, so the first set of sachets I put in, I whisked in the coconut milk powder. The second one, I added it in while it was churning. And a lot of the bits of that powder just turned into little hard nodules. And they're like little coconut balls that are in here. That aspect is really good. It's got a nice sweetness to it. I didn't use a lot of vanilla in this. The other one that I did, I used a lot of vanilla. I don't know if that one's been released, but you'll see that one soon. But yeah, this is interesting stuff. Creamy, strong flavors, interesting. And the spicy aspect, that is just really strange. Well, let's doll it up. Well, ladies and gentlemen, here it is. Prima Taste Curry Ramen ice cream atop a baked apple with cinnamon, sugar, and nutmeg. And on top of that, a flowering piece of mojito mint. Let's give it a try. Not bad. The ice cream and the apple complement each other well. I haven't just taken a big old stab at the mint yet. That mint really sets it off too. Wow. So, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. I know you probably think I'm crazy, but I like to try making different things, and this is definitely different, wouldn't you say? Alright, have a good one. Bye.